Your video was removed due to copyright takedown request. Strike 1 Sep 8, 2022. Strike 2 Sep 11, 2022. Strike 3 No. A copyright owner asked us to take down your video because they believe it contains material that violates their copyright. If you get 3 copyright strikes, your account, along with any associated channels, will be subject to termination. You now have 3 strikes, so be careful. Learn more about copyright strikes. What can we do? Do nothing. Strikes expires after 90 days, as long as you complete the copyright school. During this time, you can still use YouTube. Deleting the video will not remove the strike. Request retraction. You can contact the claimant directly and ask them to withdraw their complaint. Submit counter notification. If you believe your video was removed in error, you can file a legal dispute, also known as a counter notification. Click on Attend the Copyright School. On the next page, you have given 4 questions. You just watch the video and answering the following questions. First, you solve these critical questions carefully. Second, you may go to the Google Translate to translate these questions in your own language. Third, you may go to the Google search to find the answers of these questions. After solving these questions, click on Done button. After this, if you answering the questions correctly, your channel dashboard will now open.